Ever wondered how much easier life would be if your home maintenance concerns and your security needs could be met with just one call? Welcome to the world of OneCallDomesticRescue Channel. Imagine a team of experts who can swoop in and handle all your home crises, from water damage restoration to pest control. Picture a time when a leaking roof or a clogged gutter no longer spell weekend disaster, but a simple call to action. That's what OneCallDomesticRescue Channel offers you. But they don't stop at just rescuing you from home emergencies. They can help you maintain the sanctity of your home with services like basement waterproofing and carpet cleaning, ensuring not just a beautiful but also a healthy living environment for you and your loved ones. And when it comes to the security of your home, they understand its paramount importance. Offering locksmith and home security services, they ensure that your fortress remains impregnable. But what if you're looking to upgrade rather than just maintain? Don't fret. On OneCallDomesticRescue Channel, you can reach the expert you need. From bathroom remodeling to connecting you with local painters or real estate attorneys, they help transform your home into the haven you've always dreamed of. And if you're planning a big move, connect with trusted professionals for long-distance moving. So don't let home maintenance and security woes bog you down. Make the smart choice. Choose OneCallDomesticRescue Channel. What the crucial renovations or safety measures you're looking to implement today? Put your answers in comments. Watch the videos that match your immediate need and contact them for fast, professional, and expert assistance. Say goodbye to stress and hello to convenience with trusted solutions. Visit www.youtube.com, call Domestic Rescue to learn more. Let your home shine with the care it deserves.